So my name is Brooke DiFilippo, and this video is being filmed at like 10 o'clock at night, and this is my, kind of like my top 5 reasons that I joined LimeLight by Alcone. There are a million reasons, a million and one, but I really wanted to just pare it down, get to business. So, top 5 reasons, kind of starting with like the more head reasons and moving to the more heartfelt reasons. Seriously, okay. So, number 1 was the reputation. So, I did work for a company before this, didn't really know what I was getting into, but I kind of learned what I wanted out of a company and their reputation. So, a little bit about LimeLight by Alcone. So there's 3 words, and the most important part, I think, of that for me right now is the Alcone part, because that is a professional company that actually, I have my notes, so don't judge me, please. Handy dandy rose book. Alcone Company started in 1952, so 65 years ago, as a pharmacy that sold cosmetics and false eyelashes to Broadway showgirls. Cool, right? So they have that same philosophy today, but now it's applied more towards actresses, models, TV personalities. So I can give you a list of a couple people that I know have worn like the foundation that we get. So that's super cool. They've been featured in Vogue, Glamour, Lucky, Elle, Cosmo, just to name a few. And as of 1997, they've been the go-to for Broadway shows in New York City. Cool, right? So that's like a super firm foundation. That was the company of Alcone. In 2013, they launched Alcone for Everyone, which was a kind of like makeup artist only branch of it, where makeup artists would use the makeup on their clients, and then their clients could get it through them. As of 2015, it was updated again to LimeLight, which is what I'm doing now, and they added all natural skincare to their professional cosmetics. Cool, right? Like literally Broadway. Like I've been in plays, not Broadway plays, that's probably a lot hotter and a lot sweatier and a lot longer to be wearing makeup. Just saying. So you know it's quality. That's like so cool. Which brings me to my second point, which is that it's professional grade makeup. For example, their foundation is 50% pigmented, and in comparison to other foundations, they only go up to like 23% usually, which is less than half. So you're going to use less, which as a result means that it's going to feel even more lightweight on your skin, and it's going to come out to be cheaper because you're using less. So even though certain products may look like they're more expensive, just because it's a certain number of ounces doesn't mean you're going to get a certain number of use out of it. Certain number of uses out of it. There we go. Not just the foundation, but a ton of, like all the products are super duper pigmented. So you really need to start with a little and build from there. Professional grade, moving to the next one. Third point is it's 100% natural skincare. So it's chemical free, paraben free, Leaping Bunny certified. No worries. I just started using the skincare today. Hopefully it helps my face because nothing else has yet. My face is super complex. I've said it in a couple of videos, but I have like oily parts and dry parts. So there's skincare that will fit everybody's needs. So I'm so excited about that. And 100% natural, baby. Fourth one is that just it was overall appealing to me. So the products themselves have like a sleek look, and the line of cosmetics, it's just simpler, and it's more so quality over quantity. Yeah, I said that in the right order. Okay. They have like build your own palettes, which are really nice for like on the go, or if you have like a specific look that you want to create, you can put it all in one thing and bring it with you. So that's just, I love that about it. The specific products that got me excited were the foundation. Like I said, it's super duper pigmented, but also it's wax based, so it sits on top of your skin. It doesn't go into your pores. Cool, so you don't get clogged pores. I know it's just one good thing after another, right? And then also the enduring lip color. It's moisturizing, and they have so many pretty colors. Not like a million colors, so you're not overwhelmed, but lots of pretty defined, like, you're like, oh, I want that one, and I want that one, and I want that one. Rock or red, whatever. So there's that. Number 5, this is like my 8th take of this video. Number 5 is I finally found my why. So that's really exciting. Like I said, I was with a different company for over 2 years, and when I wasn't going to go into this, but now I am. When I originally started, I just was like, cool, I'm going to do this and see where it goes. But I never knew my why. And so over time, I realized that my why is helping other people find good products for them. So like I said, oh, I have so many notes. I never had like a purpose. So I would have like passionate times, but I never had like a reason that fueled me. So now that I have like the best products and it's a fun way to do it, I'm super duper excited. This is going to be a simpler application for people that have like not done a lot of makeup. It's not going to be that difficult, and it's all natural skincare, and the professional quality of the makeup is just ridiculous. So I'm so excited to share that as a nanny. That's like my job on the daily. I've been going like this, like barefaced, but I would love to just slap a couple products on, not have it be this complicated process to make the foundation look right, you know. But then I also want to feel a little bit glam sometimes too. So this is that good, like happy medium where you can have both. You can just wear a couple products, or you can do full out glam. So I'm excited for that. The last thing that really stood out and just, sorry, this light is crazy, just kind of put me over the edge was, you know, I found LimeLight 2 years ago. Stumbled onto it like middle of the night, YouTubing when I was in college, right? Watched some videos, think about it, and like, no, stick with what you're doing. I don't know, a year later, same thing. Then this year happens, and I started thinking like the devil's advocate, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to look up why people quit LimeLight. And everybody that I found that quit LimeLight still loves the products. Sold. Like, seriously? People who literally left still do. Blew my mind. So anyway, I hope you guys are excited like I am. I need water because I am parched, but yeah, I think I covered all my bases. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I literally don't even have my kit yet, and I'm already freaking pumped. So, thank you so much. Make sure to join my beauty group if you're interested. It's called, I don't remember what it's called, but I will link it in the comments. I just made it like last night. And also please favorite like my beauty page if you're interested in that. I'm hoping to make some links to certain products super easy to find. My website is blessingandbeauty.com, just like how it sounds. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be blessed.